Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. My dear friends, coronavirus has been consuming our world for a long time. We don't know when this virus called corona will leave us. The great Rabbul Alamin knows that very well. Thanks Allah, the Almighty has saved us. My dear learners, how are you? I expect that you're all well, stay home, stay safe and sound. Alhamdulillah, I have been blessed with the infinite mercy of Allah. My dear friends, your class has been closed for a long time due to coronavirus or COVID-19. Your studies are being hampered due to coronavirus. I hope that you are all stay home and studying according to the syllabus. My dear learners, you know that Golandu Vijal Online School has organized a live class to make up for the loss of your education. Every day, experienced teachers are conducted by a Facebook live class. I urge everyone to join me at the end of the live class. My dear friends, your class has started. Join me immediately. I congratulations on behalf of Golandu Vijal Online School. This class is brought to you by Golandu Vijal Online School. My dear friends, I congratulations on my dear honorable teachers, viewers, and my dear guardians, and my dear students. I also congratulations everyone. Friends, today I will discuss English first paper for class 8. I welcome you to my series of discussions. So my dear friends, let's start today's lesson without any delay. My dear friends, everybody welcome to who join me in this live class immediately. Join. Welcome, welcome, and welcome everyone. My dear learners, at first teacher introduction, I'm introducing myself. I'm Muhammad Tayyibur Rahman, assistant teacher, Chaudhary Mahabub Hossain Girls High School, Goalondu, Rajbari. And lesson introduction. This is class 8, subject English first paper, unit 5 and lesson 4. This is your lesson introduction, my dear learners of class 8. Introducing myself, I'm Muhammad Tayyibur Rahman, assistant teacher. My dear learners, what do you see in the pictures? My dear learners, what do you see in the pictures? We can see the trees in pictures. Student will say we can see the trees in the pictures. What are they doing? What are they doing? My dear learners, see the pictures. What are they doing? They have plantation trees. They have plantation trees. My dear learners, I hope that you all join me in this time, my Facebook live class. What do the man in the picture? What do the man in the picture say and answer me in this, my dear learners? The man is the picture is cutting hair. The man is the picture is cutting hair. আমরা যে ছবিটি দেখতে পাচ্ছি সেই ছবিতে একজন নাপিত বা নরসুন্দর যাকে বলি সে একজনের দাড়ি শেভ করছে। তাহলে এই লোকটিকে আমরা বলি নাপিত বা বারবার। Kartik Paraman is a nature lover. Kartik Paramanik is a nature lover. His passion is to plant sapling. He started to planting tree at the age of 10. At present, he is a 36-year-old. Many of the trees are now 35 or কার্তিক পরামানিক একজন প্রকৃতি প্রেমিক। তার ছোটবেলা থেকেই তার শখ ছিল ছোট। সে যখন তার বয়স যখন 10 বছর তখন থেকে সে এই কাজে নিয়োজিত রয়েছে। বর্তমানে তার বয়স 36 ইয়ার্স ও 63 বছর। My dear learners, you see some pictures about Kartik Paramani. So my dear learners, today's lessons, a man who loves trees, a man who loves trees. This is today's lesson. My dear learners, learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, student will be able to read and understand through silent reading, to learn sufficient usefulness of trees, listen for information, infer meaning from context, ask and answer questions. This is our learning outcomes, my dear learners. So my dear learners, let's start our main. Dear learners of class 8, I am going to discuss that story in front of you today. Kartik Paramanik is abroast barbar, has an impeccable sign of tree. Loving this story, friends, you must have read the story in the classroom. From here, questions are asked almost 1 year by 1 year. I hope you will watch and listen carefully today. Hope to take exam preparation from here. Getting to those who have joined me, and I urge those who have not joined to join me immediately. Don't forget to take a notebook with pen, my dear friends. Look at the pictures and talk about them. Look at the pictures and talk about them. What do you see in this picture, my dear learners? Here is another picture. It is a big tree. Silent reading, my dear learners. At the farthest of corner, there is a village called Tarapur. In this village, my dear learners, vocabulary, gigantic means প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, তোমরা অবশ্যই জানো জাইগান্টিক এর বাংলা। জাইগান্টিক হচ্ছে বড়, বিগ, সমার্থক শব্দ বিগ। there is a gigantic tree in the pictures. here you see a picture is a gigantic tree. তোমরা একটা ছবি দেখতে পাচ্ছ, অনেক বড় একটা গাছ। তাহলে gigantic means big, বড়। hairdresser, my dear learners, what do you mean by hairdresser? Hairdresser is cutting hair, his hair. Hairdresser means barber, অর্থাৎ নাপিত। আমরা নরসুন্দরও বলে থাকি। hairdresser অর্থ হচ্ছে নাপিত বা নরসুন্দর। My dear learners, I hope that you are all fluid this class. স্যাপলিং, তোমরা একটি চারা গাছ দেখতে পাচ্ছ। হোয়াট ডু মিন বাই স্যাপলিং? স্যাপলিং, এভরিবডি শুড প্লান্ট স্যাপলিং। স্যাপলিং হচ্ছে ইয়ং ট্রি, অর্থাৎ চারা গাছ বা ছোট যে আমরা বীজ তলা থেকে নিয়ে আসি সেই চারা গাছ। স্যাপলিং হচ্ছে ছোট গাছ। অ্যান্ড নেচার, হোয়াট ডু মিন বাই নেচার? নেচার হচ্ছে প্রকৃতি বা সিনারি, সৌন্দর্য। কার্তিক পরামানিক ইজ আ নেচার লাভার, প্রকৃতি প্রেমিক। কার্তিক পরামানিক ছিলেন একজন প্রকৃতি প্রেমিক। Individual work, make 4 sentences with the following words: gigantic, sapling, nature, and hairdresser. My dear learner, make 4 sentences with the following words: gigantic, sapling, nature, and hairdresser. Write 5 sentences about trees. My dear learners, this is your pair work. Write 5 sentences about trees. গাছ সম্পর্কে তোমরা 5টি বাক্য তৈরি করো, এটা হচ্ছে তোমাদের কাজ। গ্রুপ এ, গ্রুপ বি, write true or false. If false, give the correct answer information. Kartik Paramanik is a nature lover. He is a hairdresser. He is 50 years old. He would plant trees around his heart only. My dear learners, write true or false. If false, give the correct information. Kartik Paramanik is a nature lover. It is true. He is a hairdresser. True. He is 50 years old. False. He is a 63 years old. He would plant tree around his heart only. He would plant tree around beside the road, school, college. Evaluation. Who is Kartik Paramanik? Why did he plant trees? How do you understand that? He is a nature lover. How old he is? Evaluation. Who is Kartik Paramanik? Who is Kartik Paramanik? Why did you plant trees? How do you understand that? He is a nature lover. How old he is? My dear friends, if you have any questions from today's topic, you can ask me any questions. You can write me in the inbox. I will try to answer your questions correctly. This live class will continue. I hope you will take a good look at each class. Now I want to give you some homework. Write down your homework in your notebook immediately. I hope you understand my live class rules today, and that is how you will do this work from your home. Let's start. Write a short paragraph on tree plantation. Write a short paragraph. Write a short paragraph on tree plantation. My dear friends, I'm finishing my live class like today. I hope you have enjoyed my class. Before you say goodbye, two things can be said. You will be safe at home during the coronavirus or COVID-19 period. You will be study according to the syllabus. You will stay away from drugs. I'm concluding by inviting you to the next live Facebook class. My dear friends, see you again in the golden green courtyard where you noisy footstep will you see you again in the pure world, see you again in the restless beautiful environment of the earth where we go so good. My dear friends, I'm finishing today's live class in the hope that Allah will keep us well and keep us healthy, and all the people of the world will be well. Allah Hafiz, and thank you so much. See you again in this same time, same platform, my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.